How to remove Shopify store password. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to remove the password on your Shopify store, I'll show you guys step by step. So this is my current store. It has a password. Now to remove this password, all you have to do is head on over to your Shopify dashboard. From here, you want to click on Online Store on the left panel. Once you click on Online Store, you can go into Preferences on the bottom. Once you click on Preferences, you will see this option over here which says your online store is password protected. Now, if you can't see this option, simply scroll to the bottom, and within Preferences, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see the password protection, the current password you have set, and restricted access. So you can just untick this option, and once you untick this option, click on Save. Now, I have removed the password, and let's take a look at our store. So if I refresh this now, and now my Shopify store is opening up and the password has been removed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.